Hello everyone, today we'll be talking about gender in the classroom. For our first activity, please get a piece of paper and something to write with. Okay, I will say an occupation and please sketch the first image of a person that comes to your mind when you think of these professions. Teacher. Firefighter. Scientist. Nurse. Maid. Doctor. Single parent. If I went too fast, please refer to slide number 2 on our PowerPoint. All of the professions I just said will be on there for you to sketch. Following this, please watch the video link on slide 3. It's a YouTube link. And answer the question under it. Now, a question to think about of your sketches. Did you give them a gender? Did you follow social norms with the type of occupation? Like, did you put a female as a teacher and a nurse and a maid and a single parent, and a male as a firefighter, scientist, and doctor? Most of these things we don't think of, but that's stereotyping genders. This is also what the kids did in the video. They expected a male to come in, and then it was a female. And it's just a new perspective and how anyone can be what they want to be. After the video, please answer the 3 questions on slide 4.
Now we're on to slide 5. The Oxford Dictionary says that gender is either of the 2 sexes, male or female, and these correspond to gender roles of males and females. However, that could be wrong because gender is actually how a person feels, and it can be fluid, and you can be whatever you want to be, and sex is a person's genitalia, and sex is what makes a person male or female. Moving on to slide 6, we have lots of different genders that maybe you have or haven't heard of. So cisgender, transgender, non-binary, those are all ones that we have discussed in class. You've heard probably before. Gender fluid just kind of means you can, whatever you feel that day, you're just fluid in what kind of gender you'd like to be. Agender means you're not necessarily any gender. Bigender is 2 genders because that's what bi means, and polygender means you can be multiple genders at once. So this site really kind of opens your eyes to things that you might not have known before about gender. I didn't know that there were so many different genders. I knew that there were more than male and female, but I didn't know that people could identify with anything like this. This was completely new to me, and maybe to you too. Maybe you knew all of this. Moving on to slide 7, gender neutral language. So this is something that's huge in classrooms today. We want to really stray away from saying guys, which now that I think about it, I think I said it at the beginning. So use language that includes all students, not just saying guys, girls, whatever. Some examples I thought of were y'all, if you want to have some fun with your students, friends for maybe younger students. You can always say everyone or just say students. So try and stay away from gendered terms such as guys, boys, girls, ladies I had on there. So really just trying to include everyone and try not to decipher towards one gender in your class, because your students could be anything, or they could just not identify with that gender at all, and we don't want to hurt their feelings, and we want to make them feel safe in the classroom environment.